Are you looking for a new job? How about a new career? A career in machining that is challenging, a career at 3D Machine. We have a perfect opportunity to bring you into a new field. My name is Tim Deno. I'm the owner of 3D Machine, located in Goodland, Indiana. People think that manufacturing is ugly and dirty and grimy industry. It is absolutely not that type of environment at 3D Machine. We're clean, we've got heat, we've got air, it's a clean environment. It's truly a family atmosphere. We have a ton of experience here where you're going to gain a tremendous amount of knowledge. We take pride in that. The three things we have here at 3D Machine is comfort, teamwork, and advancement. We want you to be a part of it. We hope to instill that into you, and you'll end up with a career that you can be proud of, and we hope you never leave here. We have people that have been with us for 25 years since we've been in business. So we truly, truly appreciate our employees, and we want you to come work with us. We think you'll enjoy it. So apply now. We want you to be a part of our team.